Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, I'll show you, the visitor, how to use the Favorites feature to select your favorite photos. Let's say I've shared the Sport Fisher gallery with you. Whenever you access the gallery, you'll see a heart icon here in the upper right, and also if you hover your mouse pointer over each of the images, you'll see a heart icon in the lower left. Either choice you pick, it's going to ask you to enter your email address. Once you've entered your email address, you'll then be able to hover your mouse pointer over any image and click the heart icon to favorite those images. Once you've made your choices, if you need to make any changes or unfavorite an image, just hover over that image again and click the heart icon with the minus symbol. That's going to remove it from your set. You can also click on the heart icon in the top right-hand corner of the gallery to view your selection. This feature is excellent for communicating changes with your photographer, such as images you'd like to have retouched. It's good for sending messages to the photographer about a certain photo, or to let the photographer know which photos you would like to be displayed after your shoot. I hope this is helpful.